Okay, y'all, I had to come on and tell y'all this really quick because I was cracking up. Tell me why. I ran to the store to go get coffee, and before I left, I did my toes, and on the nail polish I used was one of these, and I stuck it on my finger, just to like put it out the way while I polished my toes, and left it here. Went to the, go get me some coffee. Did not realize this was on my hand until I just got home and took my coat off. Can y'all believe I wore a nail swatch outside to the store like a ring? And I didn't really pay no attention because I wear like rings that fit right here a lot. So it didn't dawn on me. Let me show you guys. Oops, sorry. Got y'all on the pillow. This is the one I used, and my swatch ring goes on top of this one, and I polish my toes with this. And this one, which is really pretty, by the way. Yeah, so I thought that was just too funny, and I had to come on and share that with y'all, that I am wearing my nail swatch ring like an everyday ring. I'm gonna keep this on till my husband get home and see if he be like, what is that, the new style now? Why are you wearing that? See if he even pays attention. Oh my God, that was so funny to me. My brain is not working right with all this coronavirus stress going on. Yeah, so I had to tell y'all that. All right, bye y'all. All right, since I showed you guys what I used on the polish I used on my pedicure, I thought I'd also show you guys what other tools I use. I use this when I clip my toenails, and I usually file them with this or my, what's it called? My Pedi Perfect. Let me grab it. Yeah, most of the time I usually use this, the Pedi Perfect. Comes with 3 different files. I did a video on it if you guys want to see it a little more. I have the Pedi Perfect and I have the Nail Perfect. So I'll use that to file and buff. And I also use this to go around the cuticle area of the toenail to get off like any dead skin. And this side as well. And then these are my... I don't know why I'm calling this Pedi Perfect. This is the Amopay. Is it Pedi Perfect? Amopay. It might be called Pedi Perfect. And then these, yeah, I think it is. And then these are Dip in the Pretty. My toe spacers. I love these. I have like some flower ones also, but these are my bling rhinestone pink ones. And they just go under, not under, but like this. In between your toes. So they would look like that on your toes to space them out so you won't touch your toes together and mess up your nail polish. So yeah, that's what I use to do my pedicures. This is something I pulled out because I wanted to use. Now these you can use on nails. It's made to help you polish your nails better. But I think it would work great for polishing toenails. So you won't have to like bend so far with such that little brush. You just attach this to the nail polish brush bottom. And you could, use it to polish your toenails. But like I said, it's also for polishing nails. This is how it looks. I've showed you guys this before. I've had this a long time, but see how it's the longer handle. It helps you kind of hold it easier. So, and it also bends too. And this is from Julep. So yeah, this is what I use when I do my toenails for a little pedicure. I do also do my foot spa. I don't do it every single time, but I'd say probably, a couple times out of the month, I'll do a foot spa and I'll, rub my heels really good. I do, after this, I use this, the Q-Tex Cure Heel Softening Cream. It's cucumber fragrance to put on my feet when I'm all done and my toes are completely dry. I'll put this on to finish them out. And that's it.